What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we have just been hanging out, like chilling the past couple of days, which we normally don't do. We're very active. We're always like trying to be out and about and exploring, but some days it's just nice to chill.
Yeah, and we're at a really nice campground that has a lot of great amenities. So they have a pool and a hot tub here. So
playground, dog run.
And Cade's learning to swim, so it's been a great place for him to practice and brush up on his new skills. And yeah, there's a basketball court and a lake that we can go fishing. So there's a lot of cool stuff to do without having to go anywhere. And some days we just like to hang out near the RV and have a good day.
Yep, so that's today. It's just kind of low key, but we are gonna make something warm and yummy. We are making hot chicken pot pie pitas.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
All right, to get us started today, Spencer is gonna cut up the potatoes. Since I've got the little lady on today, I'm gonna be sort of helping with all the things that aren't sharp.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a family cook here. We got everybody. But yeah, so we're gonna start with our potatoes, and we're gonna get them diced up pretty small because again, they're gonna go in our chicken pot pie mixture. And when we stuff our pitas, we don't want thick chunks of potatoes. So let's get to dicing these up as small as you can.
Almost looks like I'm making French fries.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Bubba. Did you get your knife? Okay. You take that out. Remember, that's the sharp side, so be very careful with that. I'm gonna give you these two, and I want you to cut pieces about that size, okay? Can you do that? Hold them with your left hand and cut with your right hand. Good job. A little smaller. Just a little smaller. Like this size. There you go. Good job. Thank you for your help. You did a great job, dude. Nice. All right, so now I gotta throw some oil on the griddle to get these potatoes down. I'm gonna put some of Blackstone's Essential Blend seasoning on the potatoes. All right, now that we got our potatoes down, it's time to cut the chicken up and get that down next. We're also gonna cut this into pretty small chunks so that it
Fits in our pita.
Fits in our pita and cooks a little quicker. Hey Bubba, what's your favorite part about this campground?
That has a pool and a playground.
Yeah? What have you been doing in the pool?
Swimming.
While I'm cutting the chicken, Cade's gonna toss the potatoes for me and give them a flip so they can keep cooking evenly on all sides, right? Now that the chicken is all cut up, I'm going to put that on the other side of the griddle, so I'm going to put some oil down and then get the chicken down. Add a little bit more of the Essential Blend seasoning.
It smells so good.
Our potatoes and chicken are down on the griddle, so now it is time to make our sauce. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, we've got some cream of chicken here that Cade is going to add into our pan. Do it nice and low and slow, okay, so it doesn't spill everywhere. We're going to do 2 cans of that and then a cup of milk. We want to make sure this doesn't turn into a soup because it's going into our pita, but we do want it nice and creamy. And then we're going to stir it up.
All right.
Moose.
I didn't have a chicken.
Oh, man. Sometimes that's what happens when you cook with kids. We're gonna add our cream sauce onto the griddle, so Spencer's gonna move the potatoes and chicken over to one side. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, it's gonna stir it up for us.
The chicken and the potatoes are just about done, and they are looking fantastic. So it's time to get our veggies on the griddle. And we kind of cheated a little bit this time. We're going with frozen veggies, but sometimes when you've got a baby strapped to you and you're cooking, you need to take a few shortcuts. So let's get these veggies on the griddle and get them seasoned up.
Shira muscles.
That's good. That's good.
That's enough veggies.
That's plenty.
That's a full griddle right there.
Good work, dude. Everything is looking good, smelling wonderful, and about to be ready. So I'm going to cut our pitas. So we're gonna cut our pitas in half. And then, Kate, remember we learned what hollow means?
Yep.
So you see how it was hollow inside? Mm-hmm. That's where all of our pot pie goodness is gonna go. All right, your turn. And then slowly open it up, because we are gonna stuff it. Excellent.
Getting pretty close here. We've got our pitas cut up, our veggies and chicken and potatoes are all ready. So the next thing we're gonna do is mix all of that together. And then once that's done, we'll get our creamy chicken soup poured over top of it.
Me. Oh, dirt.
And the last piece of the puzzle is to stuff the pitas. Oh, I gotta say, these turned out pretty lovely.
I know, they look
They
awesome.
look really good.
That's why we make a great team.
That's right. All right, buddy, you ready to try these pot pie pitas?
Which one are you going for? That one? All right. Ooh, look at that. All right, might get a little messy.
Yep.
Good. Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. All right, good.
It's so good. This is kind of like that comfort food, just like yummy, warms you up from the inside out.
Yeah,
so
and
good.
Doing the chicken and the potatoes on the griddle first kind of adds an extra element of flavor that you wouldn't get in a typical pot pie. But this is
Delicious.
fantastic.
So good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in. We always appreciate you watching.
Visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great cooks from any of the great chefs on the channel.
Like Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Bruce, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.